Next is time management skills. As we all know, JEE has a very vast syllabus. So great time management skills are required not only in order to complete the syllabus but also to balance study and personal life. Hi, my name is Atharva Abhijit Tambat. I had enrolled in Pinnacle 2-year integrated program in FIITJEE, Mumbai. I have secured All India rank 396 in JEE Advanced, All India rank 1 in JEE Mains, 445 out of 450 marks in BITSAT 2021, and I am a KVPY scholar with rank of 119 in SX and 386 in SA. In this preparation of JEE, there were two major challenges: accuracy and time management. Initially, what I used to do is, if there are 20 questions, I used to go for all the 20 questions and not pay attention to the accuracy in each question. So this resulted in lesser marks. I consulted my teachers for this problem, and what they advised was go for lesser number of questions initially, but have 100% accuracy in all of them. And by regular practice, I improved my accuracy in almost all the questions. Next is time management skills. As we all know, JEE has a very vast syllabus. So great time management skills are required not only in order to complete the syllabus but also to balance study and personal life. One needs to study, give a lot of tests, revise, have proper diet, have proper rest. So great time management skills are very crucial if you want to crack JEE. My three ingredients to success in JEE are: first is conceptual clarity in every subject, second, solving a lot of practice problems in every topic, and third is giving a lot of tests. As we all know, every year JEE Advanced almost asks new questions, and without conceptual clarity, cracking those questions would be impossible. So the solution to this is keeping all your concepts clear, because mugging up will take you nowhere, and only understanding actually what is going on in the theory will help you crack JEE Advanced. Practicing a lot of problems will help you in two things. That is, cutting down on the time per question in that topic, and it will also give you the confidence that you can solve newer types of question in that topic. My third element is solving a lot of tests, which will help you in maximizing your accuracy and minimizing the time taken to complete the test, so you can maximize your marks in JEE Advanced. FIITJEE has been a pillar of strength during my 2 years of preparation for JEE Advanced. So the entire syllabus was divided into 7 phases, and so that I could focus on those topics in one phase without worrying about the topics in others. And secondly, detailed analysis of every test was given so that I could find the conceptual loopholes and fill them up eventually. And thirdly, teachers were available to us all the time so that we could talk to them when we were feeling demotivated, especially during COVID times. I'm very grateful to my parents, teachers, friends, and the processes at FIITJEE which helped me reach where I am today.